If you constantly struggle to get ready for school and want a productive and easy to follow morning routine, this is the guide for you. This routine will help you feel focused and refreshed for the school day. Let's get started. Step 1. Wake up early. If you have to be at school by 7:30 a.m., you should wake up at 5:30 a.m. If you have to be at school by 8:30, then you could wake up at 6 a.m. The first step to waking up early is by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you don't sleep well, then you will feel too tired to wake up. So try to go to sleep between 10 to 11 p.m. Next, put an alarm sound that will make you want to wake up and put it across the room, so you will have to get up to turn it off. This is a good way to always wake up on time. Step 2. Right after waking up, drink a glass of water because your body will be dehydrated in the morning. This will also help kickstart your metabolism. Step 3. After drinking water, make your bed and clean up a bit so that when you come home from school you will come back to an organized room. This shouldn't take more than 7 minutes. Step 4. Once you are done, take 10 to 15 minutes to do some simple yoga or Pilates. Doing this will help awaken your body and mind, which will help you feel focused in your classes. It will also help improve circulation, enhance flexibility, and loosen stiff muscles. Step 5. Freshen up. Take a shower and make sure not to take more than 10 minutes so you don't start running late. Put a timer if you have to. After your shower, apply some lotion and deodorant. Don't forget to brush your teeth well. Step 6. Get dressed in a school-appropriate outfit. Pick your outfit the night before so you avoid wasting time picking one out in the morning. Bonus tip: try on your outfit the night before so you know if it will look good on you. Trust me, you will thank yourself. Sometimes we pick clothes that look good when we look at them, but not when we put them on. Picking your clothes out and trying it on the night before will help you avoid having to change your outfit in the morning. Step 7. Skincare. Wash your face with a cleanser and then pat it dry. Apply toner, then a serum and a moisturizer for hydration, and finally sunscreen to block damaging UV rays. Step 8. Makeup. Makeup is optional, and I'm not going to tell you to do a simple and natural makeup. Do makeup that makes you feel confident and that suits your personality. If your school allows it, you can try some cool eyeliner looks. Step 9. Hair. Make sure you brush your hair nicely. Your hair can either make or break your look. You can do some heat styles, like keeping it straight or curling it. You can also do some quick heatless styles with braids or claw clips. Step 10. Eat breakfast. Breakfast is essential to give you energy for your school day. Make sure not to skip it. Some quick and healthy breakfast ideas are eggs and toast, a sandwich, oatmeal, yogurt with fruits and granola, or a protein smoothie. Step 11. Get ready to leave. Pack your bag with everything you will need. Double check that you have your homework, lunch, water bottle, and any other essentials. Step 12. Do something that calms your mind, like reading a chapter of a book, watching a quick video, or saying positive affirmations. Step 13. Head to school. Leave with enough time to get to school calmly. It should be about 7 a.m. if you need to be at school by 7:30, or 8 a.m. if you need to be at school by 8:30. Let's do a quick run-through. Wake up early. Drink a glass of water. Make your bed. Do some simple yoga or Pilates. Freshen up. Get dressed. Skincare. Makeup. Hair. Eat breakfast. Get ready to leave. Do something that calms your mind. Head to school. Following these steps will help you be at school on time and help you focus on your classes. Subscribe so you can see more videos on how to be the best version of yourself.